Good morning, students. Today we are starting new problems based on the concept of tangent law and deflection magnetometer. In deflection magnetometer, clearly we are discussed about tan A positions and tan B positions in previous classes. Okay, based on those formulas only, we are ready to solving few problems. Here, first problem how it is present. Once observe carefully, you people only. A small magnet produces a deflection of 45 degrees. See here, data is given as theta is equal to 45 degrees is given in tan A position. Clearly mentioned, this one is tan A position when used at 20 centimeters from the magnetic needle. So d is equal to 20 centimeters, so I am taken as 2 into 10 power minus 1 meter. If the magnetic moment is, so m value is equal to here 1.44 ampere meter square is given. Find bh value. So expecting bh is equal to how much? So in tan A position, students, we know BH tan theta value is equal to, we have the formula mu naught by 4 pi into 2m divided by d cube. This is the main formula we have. So substitute all these values for getting the result. Here pH, this is a tan 45 degrees, so this is mu naught by 4 pi, that's value is equal to 10 power minus 7 into 2 into m value is given as 1.44 divided by d cube. D cube means how much, students? Here 2 into 10 power minus 1 whole cube. So in next step, BH tan 45 is nothing but 1 only. 10 power minus 7, this is 2.88 divided by, this is 8 into 10 power minus 3. So once observe clearly, this is 2.88 divided by 3 into 10 power minus 4, we can able to write. So therefore on simplification, pH value is equal to 2.88 divided by 3 is nothing but, that is how much we will get? 0.36 we will find. 0.36 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla. So this is the result for us. Okay, simple problem. BH tan theta value is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into 2m by d cube is the formula we are used here. Okay, students. See, students, this is one more problem. Actually, this is the fourth problem in your prescribed material. A short magnet produces a deflection 37 degrees in deflection magnetometer in tan A position when placed at a distance 10 centimeters from the needle. Where should the same bar magnet be placed in a tan B portion of magnetometer produce the same deflection of 37 degrees? See here, students, clearly given theta A is equal to theta B is equal to 37 degrees is given, students. Okay, in tan A, here how much is the distance is given? dA value is equal to 10 centimeters is given. So expecting dB value is equal to how much? This is the asking question. So we want to find out here dB value is equal to how much? Okay, that is we want to find. Just once recall, tan A position formula I am mentioning here. So that is nothing but BH tan theta A is equal to, I am taken as mu naught divided by 4 pi into 2m divided by here dA cube. And for tan B position, we have one more formula, that is BH tan theta B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into m divided by dB cube. Is it clear, students? So here one thing we can identify here, m is also constant, same magnet. Same magnet means m constant. Is it clear? So one thing, students, here BH is constant, this one also constant, m is also constant, mu naught by 4 pi is also constant. Just we are taking ratios. Let I am taking, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. I am taken as 1 by 2. So BH tan theta A divided by BH tan theta B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into 2m divided by dA cube divided by mu naught divided by 4 pi into m divided by dB cube. Is it clear? So finally, students, this value cancel, mu naught by 4 pi, mu naught by 4 pi cancel, this one and this one also cancel. Finally, we will get 1 divided by dB cube value is equal to 2 divided by dA cube. We will find it. Is it clear? So then how we will simplify this thing? See, I am writing here, therefore by taking cube roots means 1 by dB value is equal to, here cube root of 2 divided by dA we will find. Is it clear? So therefore we will find dB value is equal to dA divided by, okay, cube root of 2, or otherwise this is 10 divided by 2 power 1 by 3. On simplification, students, this maybe we may find as 7.9 centimeters. How much we can find? 7.9 centimeters we can find. Just once go through your calculations personally. Okay, right, few more problems now we will solve it. See students, this is the fifth question in your material. Two short magnets are kept in on opposite arms of a deflection magnetometer at 12 centimeters and 18 centimeters from the needle. If there is no deflection in the needle, the ratio of magnetic moment of these two magnets is, here theta is constant, one thing we are identified. And next d1 is equal to given as 12 centimeters and d2 is given as 18 centimeters, expecting ratio of magnetic moments. So m1 divided by m2 is equal to how much? So either it may be a tan A position or tan B position. For example, I am representing this one as a tan A. Tan A position means, what's that formula? BH tan theta is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into 2m divided by d cube. So here theta constant, BH constant, mu naught by 4 pi constant, 2 constant. Therefore, m is proportional to d cube. Is it clear, students? M is proportional to d cube means, can we represent like this? M1 divided by M2 is equal to d1 divided by d2 whole cube. So this is nothing but 12 divided by 18 whole cube. So this is sixth table cancellations here, 2 by 3 whole cube. Finally here 2 cube value is 8 and 3 cube value is 27. So finally 8 by 27. M1 by M2 value is equal to 8 by 27, implies M1 is to M2 is equal to 8 is to 27. This is the result, or this is the final answer we will get it. Okay students, M1 is to M2 is equal to 8 is to 27 is the answer for us. So listen students, this is actually seventh question. The needle of a deflection magnetometer shows a deflection of 60 degrees due to a short bar magnet at a certain distance in tan A position. If distance is double, the deflection is. Okay, this is the question. Here tan A position clearly mentioned. Initially theta 1 is equal to 60 degrees, theta 2 is equal to how much expecting. Here distance is becomes double. So d1 is equal to d, d2 value is equal to 2d. Like this it is given. So remember the formula in tan A position, BH tan theta is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi into 2m divided by d cube. Is it clear students? So from this one we can guess like this, tan theta is proportional to 1 by d cube or not. Is it clear? So tan theta 1 divided by, here tan theta 1 divided by tan theta 2 is equal to here d2 by d1 whole cube. So here theta 1 value is 60 degrees. So tan 60 degrees divided by tan theta 2 is equal to, I can represent here 2d divided by d whole cube. So implies here tan 60 value how much students? Root 3. Root 3 by tan theta 2 is equal to, here dd cancel, here 8. Therefore tan theta 2 is equal to how much? Root 3 by 8 we will find. Root 3 by 8 implies theta 2 value is equal to tan inverse of, we can able to write that is root 3 by 8. So answer is tan inverse root 3 by 8 is the angle we are finding. Okay students, it is also simple question. Here tan theta is inversely proportional to d cube. Finally students, I am solving one more problem for you. This is the last and final problem in your material also, according to these concepts. At what angle with the magnetic meridian will a magnetic needle rest if it is subjected to a magnetic field of induction? Say B value is equal to 0.6 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla given, perpendicular to the magnetic meridian. So BH value is given as 0.2 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla is given. Expecting theta is equal to how much? So remember tangent law, students. What is the general formula in case of tangent law? That is nothing but B is equal to BH tan theta. Is it clear? So B value 0.6 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla is given. BH is 0.2 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla is given. This is a tan theta. 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 4 cancel. Here point 2 how many times cancel? 3 times cancel. Therefore tan theta value is equal to 3. We are observed. Therefore we may represent that is theta value is equal to 71 degrees 34 minutes. Okay, theta value is equal to, that is equivalent to 71 degrees 34 minutes is the answer for you. Okay, almost in magnetism chapter entire all problems completed. Okay, given in your materials. In next class finally we will discuss only the two topics. Okay, different types of magnetic materials and hysteresis curve. Okay, if we completed those topics means this entire chapter where we will complete. Okay students, okay, thank you.